we are installing my new drag pack. I bought the front runners back in September. They're billet specialties. And guys, these are billet specialties as well. They are not Laguna welds. So just figured I'd let you guys know. But car's not fully settled. That's the fronts. About to get the other side on the front put on and throw the rear slicks on and keep you guys updated. Perfect fitment. And I will get into how I get these front runners to work with the stock brakes. I was saying earlier, if anyone's wondering how I get these front runners to clear, I have ginormous studs on there. I mean, that's at least a 3.5, 4-inch stud. Then I have these slip-on hub-centric, they're 1/4-inch spacers. And they just sit right on there. And we'll try to do this in one part, but I don't know if it's gonna work. Yeah, hang on. That's with them on. And plenty, well, I mean not plenty, but enough clearance not to rub. So that's how you run a drag pack on a GT350. I will update you guys when I get the slicks on. I've never ran M&H slicks. I've always ran Mickey Thompson, but Mickey Thompson does not make a 18-inch bias plate. So we're gonna throw them on, see how it looks. And here it is. Got the billet specialty wind lights mounted up, the M&H front runners, bias plies. And we're just gonna call these billet specialties with M&H 28-10-5 full slicks. Fitment is actually not terrible. I'm kind of happy with that fitment there. It actually looks a lot better than I had thought it would. I thought they were going to stick out a lot worse. But there she is. The wheels and tires are all mounted up. She's ready to go.